Mughal Garden. We bid goodbye to Hampi and started off at 6:30 a.m. from our hotel, that is Mango Tree Homestay. Here is a glimpse of the hotel room we already have reviewed in the last video. As you can see, room and balcony was a bit small, but overall it was clean and tidy. Owner and staff was helpful and kind. It was a good experience overall. As we left Hampi, we decided to visit 2 to 3 places on the go before reaching Pune. Our first destination was Tungabhadra Dam, which is very near to the Hospet. We could not actually visit the dam because actual dam is 3 kilometers away from the main gate and parking. There is a bus service by government to show the dam and surroundings. Being very early in the morning, the bus service was stalled due to the low number of passengers at that time. Otherwise, this is a good option as the ticket is only 20 rupees per person. For safety reasons, private vehicles are not allowed inside. Overall, it seemed to be a pleasant green place. After roaming there for few minutes, we rode straight towards Almaty Dam through highway for 3.5 hours. Here one can find a beautifully developed and maintained gardens inside Almaty Dam premises. We visited a couple of them named Mughal Garden and Rock Garden. This is surely a must visit place as you can click some really nice shots around. The best time to visit it could be early evening so that you can see the gardens in the daylight and then enjoy the light show at night. So we are on the way from Hampi back to Pune. In between there is a dam called Almaty Dam. At Almaty Dam there are 2 to 3 different gardens that you can visit. One of them is Mughal Garden. It could just be. Around lunchtime, we were near Vijyapur, so thought to go for lunch to Kaswa Hills again, as we have had lunch here while we were sightseeing in Vijyapur. If you missed the video of Vijyapur sightseeing, I have put the link above. This hotel is just 10 minutes away from a highway and we did not have to cross the whole city. If you are a non-veg lover, you should surely consider this place. Veg food was also good either. I would suggest to prefer sitting inside the AC room. Are you in Vijyapur in Karnataka? Are you looking for a good place to have lunch or dinner? So probably this is the place you should look for. It's called Kaswa Hills. A very authentic place to have food. I had chicken dum biryani here and I loved the taste of the rice they used in biryani. The chicken taste was also authentic. The masalas they used in chicken biryani is pretty nice. So overall a good experience, good customer service basically. That's what many people look for. And the price for the chicken biryani is just 150 rupees. So it's totally worth it and you should definitely try if you happen to be in Vijyapur or in fact you will be going somewhere else and passing through Vijyapur, then probably consider this place. Stay tuned. Thank you. After leaving from Hampi, head towards Hospet and Tungabhadra Dam entrance gate because it is just a couple of kilometers from Hospet along the highway. Once you are done here at Tungabhadra Dam, you can head towards Almaty Dam. You will see the heavenly gardens on the way to the actual dam. Once you leave from Almaty, you can consider taking lunch break at Vijyapur. You might find better options here compared to the dhabas on the highway. Then take the highway again and head towards Solapur and then towards Pune. The total distance to cover all this is approx 580 kilometers. And it took us 14 to 15 hours to cover the distance, including the sightseeing, pit stop and few tea breaks. After lunch, we started our journey towards our home sweet home, Pune. If you have not watched the previous parts of Hampi ride, you will find the links of them at the end of the video and in the description. Please let us know in comments your experience of the trip to Hampi. We welcome the suggestions and you would see the improvements in the upcoming videos. Please do subscribe to our channel to see the informative content and press the bell icon to get the notifications of the latest videos I upload. Thank you.